Let me tell you a story. Recently, I woke up, picked up my Samsung S24, and it wouldn't boot normally. Instead of the home screen, I was stuck on the Google account verification screen. I panicked. I didn't have a computer nearby, and I had no idea what to do. I started searching online. All the advice I found was outdated. Use TalkBack, use keyboard tricks, and so on. I tried everything, but nothing worked because my phone was running Android 16. It turned out that on newer versions, all those old tricks are useless. I was frustrated. But then I discovered DeepSeek, a free Chinese AI assistant. I asked it, "Can you help me bypass FRP on a Samsung phone?" It immediately suggested several methods. I chose the simplest one. It gave me step-by-step instructions, and I followed them carefully. At one point, I got confused, so I took a photo of the screen and sent it to DeepSeek. It replied, "I see the problem. This is where you made a mistake. Try doing it this way instead." I followed its advice, and everything worked. I successfully got past the FRP lock. Now I'm sharing this experience with you because I know many of you are facing the same situation. My method is designed for ordinary users. You don't need to be a technician or an expert. Just follow DeepSeek's instructions, and if something goes wrong, send it a photo of your screen and ask for help. Why am I not recording a video tutorial? Because in a month, this method may no longer work. Samsung constantly patches vulnerabilities and changes security features. DeepSeek, however, can always provide the latest information and updated methods, and believe me, DeepSeek really works. I even managed to fix an iPhone with its help after a repair shop told me it was beyond saving and should be thrown away. Thank you for listening to my story. The comments are open, feel free to write, and I'll do my best to help.